I came here 6 months ago, just before I entered into the OT, and I met with the doctor, and when I checked my blood pressure was like fluctuating, it was increased. The doctor advised me, he said, "No, we can't do it now," because doctor didn't think for money like for a second. He just said straight away to me, "Jagdish, I'm not gonna do your surgery."
Simply comment NRI and get a free consultation with our expert doctors.
Hello friends, I'm Jagdish. My nickname is Sonu, and I came from Melbourne all the way to QHT Delhi Clinic. I just landed straight to my hotel and here, and my flight took around 16 hours to get here because I came with the Thai Airways. Last night I stayed in a hotel, and in the morning I'm here. So didn't take too long to get here. It's fine, and I would like to share my experience. So friends, I would like to tell you a main reason for my hair transplant with QHT. I came here 6 months ago. Everything was done, my medical test done, my anesthesia test done, everything was done, my file was completed. Just before I entered into the OT, and I met with the doctor, and when I checked my blood pressure, and they found out my blood pressure was like fluctuating, it was increased. My blood pressure was like 140 by 100, which supposed to be 120 and 80. So doctor advised me, he said, "No, we can't do it now because my health very important rather than my transplant." So they advised me, better we pause now, or you take some days off, start your medication. When your blood pressure under control, then you can come back. That's the part which like impressed me a lot. And I thought in my mind, if it's like any other clinic, they would say, "It's fine, we'll do your surgery." And maybe surgery goes wrong or whatever. But doctor here, they did not think about money at all. So I won't say QHT is expensive. I would say it's value for money here, and it's worthwhile because doctor didn't think for money like for a second. He just said straight away to me, "Jagdish, I'm not gonna do your surgery because this high blood pressure can cause, and because of this reason, the surgery could go wrong." So they didn't think about the money. Other clinic, they might say, "Yes, we'll do it," but here I found they think my health first, then the surgery and the money. So that's the main reason I came back again here after 6 months. And today, hopefully, everything will be fine. My blood pressure is under control now. I'm having medication for that. I would like to tell you one more thing. I did all the research, like I found out in Melbourne as well. I did my research there. And one of my friend did in Melbourne itself, but his surgery was not that good. Results not that great. And another one, they were like so expensive, like really expensive. And when I compare here, it's affordable. It's really good price with the results also. I chose QHT, did my research for the like Turkey also, Istanbul, this and that, but I don't want to go there. I either prefer Australia or my own country, because here another thing also, like language. We can communicate easily. In Melbourne, we can communicate easily. Turkish, it could be a problem. I prefer India. And when I was doing my research in India, I find out so many places. When I finalized my research results, I said, "Nah, QHT will be the best option." So here I am. So one more thing I would like to tell you, like if you compare about the hygiene level, I find out here hygiene is very nice. Their lab, their like outside area, this room, like make you think one more time, "Oh, this place, they're trying to do their best, keep it clean." So this definitely is a hygiene place. And you know what happened in the start, if we tell about our like family members, they said, "Oh, why are you doing that? Why is that?" But for your own confidence, it's gonna boost your confidence. My wife, she's happy. My kids, they're happy. My father, they didn't say anything. Or sometimes my friends also say, "Oh, what's the need for it? Don't go for it." But for my personal happiness, my personal confidence, I would like to go for it because there's nothing wrong. These days, everything is safe. And they're doing the right process. I just had my blood test done. I already had my anesthesia test done. Everything done. They asked for each and every medical reports from me, which prove that they want hygiene and health and safety first, and then the transplant. So transplant is not a big thing nowadays. It's everyone doing it. If you see any like Bollywood star, everyone doing that. Also, when I did my research, I find out everyone using like FUE technique. But in QHT, they're using like advanced version of FUE technique, which means like they're not gonna wait. Your hair follicle not gonna sit there for like at least an hour. Here is like quick hair transplant. So they're gonna remove the follicle from your donor area and plant straight away. So one out, one in, one out, one in. Not like other clinic, they're gonna take like 100 or 500 out, keep it for a while, and then plant on the head. So that's why I prefer this place, because they have like advanced version and more safe, more chance and better chance to grow your like more hair. Percentage are higher on this place, because if you see their like Insta or YouTube channel, you find out like all the celebrities have like good results. But if you, as an ordinary person, if you see like before and after results, looks like better. It doesn't mean like only celebrity will have like better results. Anyone can have better results if they follow the guidelines, follow the proper post-care procedure, they will have the better result. And I find out because of this technology and their post-care and with all the services, the results are better at QHT. See you soon, guys.
Jagdish's hair transplant journey began with the initial preparation. First, his hair was trimmed properly, followed by a head wash. After that, he was taken into the OT, where his procedure started using the QHT technique, an advanced version of follicular unit extraction (FUE). Local anesthesia was administered to ensure the entire procedure remained completely comfortable. Ultra micro precision punches were used during the extraction phase. A total of 4,200 grafts were carefully extracted from the donor area and strategically implanted into the frontal and crown areas for complete coverage. In the frontal zone, dense packing was performed to achieve a strong frame for the face, a youthful yet mature look, natural-looking density. Throughout the procedure, Jagdish remained fully comfortable.
Surgery went through like very well, and I was in the operation theater for about 11 hours. I just came out and see but what's the outcome now? It's not the final result though, it's just the initial stage, but it looks perfect. I'm very much confident, and my experience was too good for 11 hours. Like, staff treated me very well. They gave me meal also at 3 times, like breakfast and then lunch, and just before I left the OT, they gave me some refreshment as well. So very smooth experience. And in regards of pain, there is just a minimum pain when they give like local anesthesia, and that's all. And it's just a minimum. It's not like big pain. Or so if it's a myth about like pain, you think like it's too much pain, this and that. No, it's nothing like that. Just a minor pain, and after that, very smooth. And I would highly recommend QHT, and I would say go for it, guys. If you think about hair transplant, go for it. It's a good decision.
After the successful surgery, Jagdish had a detailed consultation with our expert doctors. He was thoroughly guided about proper post-operative care and was provided with a complete strategy to follow once he returned home after his QHT procedure. If you are living abroad and considering a hair transplant, don't focus only on the price. Look at the technique. Look at the doctor's experience. And most importantly, understand the graft survival rate. Simply comment NRI and get a free consultation with our expert doctors.
Hello friends, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please like this video, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get updates on every video.